go forward, go down to go backwards, do that to go this way, that to go that way, and this to make like a pancake, like the wheels like that. And when you press this, they turn normal again.
Can you do that again? Push the button. Ooh. Okay. What do you really like about this car?
That it does this and that.
That you can do that?
Yeah, and when it comes out of the door and you have a bump, it still goes, and you don't even have to pick it up and turn it the normal way.
Yeah, it does really good. It goes over like all kinds of surfaces, doesn't it?
And it does that,
It'll
that,
come over
and it
bumps
goes over and over and over backwards,
Yeah.
upside down,
And
right way, upside down, and it still lays like that.
do you know why those wheels turn like that?
No.
They turn like that so that you can drift, so that you can go around corners real fast. Now, this thing, it uses 6 batteries in the car, I think, and 2 in the remote, or 3. We seem to get, as long as you remember to turn it off, we seem to get pretty good battery power out of it. All right, Lindsay, look, I want you to stand here, and then I want you to show them how far that car will go with you standing here. Take it all the way down the street, as far as it'll go, so we can see how far the remote reaches.
Kind of far.
I can barely even see the car. So far away we can barely see it. Okay, go ahead and turn around and come back. That way we can show people. It goes a really long way.
See which way it went.
You need to turn right. She had to move because she couldn't see where the car was to know how to get it back. It went so far. This car, it moves really fast. She has really enjoyed playing with this car. It holds up just as good, if not better, than any other RC car we have ever had. Bringing it up a little, came right over that little dip at the end of our driveway. There we go.
Now Mommy will hold this and I will be racing it.
Okay.
To see if it's faster than me.
Oh, you want me to see if you can run? Oh, I don't even. Okay, hold on.
I'm just gonna give it a head start.
Hold on. I can't hold the thing in. Alright, go ahead. Go. Oh, she's gonna catch me. She's pretty fast too. Here I come. Come back home. Oops, sorry. Hold on, I'm bringing it home. Whoa, I missed.
Here, let me do this.
Ah! Come on, Mario, come on. Oh, I drove it into the tire. Alright. Alright, Lindsay. So is this car a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Oh, show them spinning. Spin it again. these pins. Alright, Linz. Is this a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
A thumbs up? Alright, guys.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Give me the huge thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, amigos.